Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the BMW E36 project brought to you by All Things Motoring. Now today is one I've been looking forward to for a very long time, and I know that you guys have too, because you've seen me hiding the wheels in the videos. You've also been guessing what they could be, and some of you have got them right. So without further ado, I'm pleased to present to you my new wheel and tire setup for the E36. These are the Style 32s, original BMW wheels, which I think will give it that really nice motorsport look. Now these are second-hand wheels, but I do like that they are original, which is what I was going for. And as I said, they give it a motorsport look, but I'm still not putting M products onto this car because I'm still trying to keep it the 328 that it is. And as I said, these are second-hand, so they have been refurbished. They're not perfect, but I do like that they've got a little bit of character on them, but they still look like they're in good condition. But something that I did note is that these have also got polished lips. So this is something you don't normally see on Style 32s, but I kind of like the look of it, and I'm intrigued to see how they look when they're on the car and driving. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Do you think they should be polished? Do you think they should just be normal painted? I'll take all of that into consideration because, again, I'm doing most of this content for you guys to enjoy as well. And then where the rubber hits the road. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. But without these, those round metal things will be completely useless. And I'm proud to announce that Goodyear have come on board to support the E36 project and have supplied me with a full set of Eagle F1 asymmetric sixes. What we've gone with here are, if I can even remember or look at these, they are the 225 45 17s. So I'm very intrigued to see how these fit on the car, and with me being as curious as I am, I have to go take the car out and go and see what these look like side by side. Okay, I thought I'd do a quick little walk around to show you exactly what the car looks like beforehand, and so that I can also take some mental pictures to remember the car before these beauties get installed. So firstly, you can see I've got these 15-inch wheels. They are the stock BMW ones. What's nice about them is they've got a little bit of a lip on here, so I like that. It makes them very different, but they're going to get changed. But what I wanted to look at here is to exactly see how these wheels are going to fit in this wheel well, because I'm a little bit worried, but hopefully it's not going to be a problem, because as you can see, they're quite big. And it wouldn't be a video in my garage without quality control to come and see what's going on and inspect what's happening. And I hope I get a MAU of approval. And then the junior inspector also had to come and check out the tires. Now, as you can see here, I was a little bit worried because he was getting really close to them. I'm not sure if that was a good or a bad thing, but my instincts did tell me that I do need to roll this tire with the inspector inside, which I didn't do. I waited until he left because their approval means a lot. Okay, so you've seen the tires, and you've seen the rims, and you've seen what we think they could look like. But now, let's go get these installed. Safety first. There we go. Got some precious cargo here. Okay, I've made my way here to HiQ in Bryanston, who are going to be helping with the install and fitment of my brand new wheels and tires. Now, I was going to do a whole voiceover explaining the entire fitment process, but because I really enjoyed the workshop sounds, I'm going to keep them in and just tell you what happens on screen. Sorry for the interruption, but I have decided to build myself a Goodyear tire throne so that I can sit here and tell you exactly why these asymmetric sixes are the perfect all-round tire. Firstly, they've got dry contact plus technology. So these tires' contact patch adapts to the driving style and road surface for improved dry performance. And wet braking pro technology, meaning they've got new resin that allows the tire to have more micro contact with the road, which results in more improved wet braking. They're also EV ready, which means lower noise emissions and reduced rolling resistance, making the tire a perfect fit for electric vehicles. So not only are they great for my E36, but if you've got an electric vehicle, you should probably consider these too. So all in all, you've got a tire that provides great control and enables the driver to feel safe on any tar road and in any weather condition. Okay, now back to HiQ for the installation. Okay, now it's time to drive it a little bit, let that suspension settle, get home, put on the new caps, and then do the reveal we've all been waiting for. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, I've got to put the new center caps back on first. That didn't go as smooth as I was hoping. Apart from that being extremely satisfying, I'm so happy with how this turned out. The E36. Thank you so much for watching another video on the E36 build. I hope you enjoyed this. I definitely did, and I think it came together really nicely, and I love the result. Now, a big thank you needs to go out to All Things Motoring for partnering with me on this build, because if it wasn't for them, I don't think that this would have happened. Now, to chat a little bit about what they have to offer, now they are literally All Things Motoring. They are your go-to place for everything happening in the world of automotive. From events like breakfast runs, car shows, concourses, and everything in between. You can find them on DSTV channel 189, YouTube, and everywhere on social media. Go check them out, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. And a huge shout out needs to go to Goodyear for providing me with the 4 tires to go with this project. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Now go show them some love, because the next time you go put tires on your car, choose Goodyear. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the result as much as I did. And if you did, please would you drop a like below, and if you want to see more videos like this on the E36 project and other car reviews, then please subscribe. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.